Hi guys, I'm going to talk to you very briefly about some updates for this week. So here we go. Here's what you need to know. First of all, you know this already, but you need to log into Canvas first every day. If you're not sure how to do that, let me know and I'll be happy to help you. Next, your required assignments for this week. You're already doing one right now, this check-in form, but here are your other required assignments. Tomorrow, Tuesday, I'm going to post a video lesson and questions about the Cultural Revolution in China. So be sure that you watch the video and complete that form to get credit for that activity. Then your uh, three other required activities for the week are these. Activity 1, I'm going to have you do a blend space about the Cultural Revolution in China to learn more about it and Chairman Mao. Activity 2, I'm going to ask you to watch a very short video about the Cultural Revolution in China, and then you're going to do a Flipgrid response. I have set the settings on the Flipgrid so that only I will see your response. The third activity, of course, is a DOW because we need to keep practicing with documents. All right, we will have a Zoom meeting Thursday during class time. I will put the information in Google Classroom Thursday morning, just like I normally do. Of course, all assignments are due on Friday. And if you have any questions about anything, please email me and I will be more than happy to help you. Some of you have been great about getting your assignments done. Some of you need to get busy and get to work. Create a schedule that works for you in order to get your stuff done. All right, that's it for me. I will talk to you guys later. Clear eyes, full heart.